How to install an app on the iPhone. Full guide. First of all, click on the App Store. Wait till it loads. And once loaded, click on the search bar right at the bottom. Search the app you want to see. In this case, I will search for Roblox. Let's search Roblox and hit enter. Then we'll have to select the app, which in my case is Roblox, and click on the install button. Once clicked on, we need to wait a few minutes till it completes its downloading. Once completed its download, click on the open button and it will successfully open your app. For more tutorials just like this, please make sure to subscribe and like this video.